Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your devices and printers are not loading on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer when attempting to launch the utility. So usually this will have something to do with a Bluetooth device, and we're going to go about how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu search, the little magnifying glass on Windows 11, and you want to type in services. Best match should come back with services listed right above app. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to locate all the Bluetooth services listed in here. So if you have a Bluetooth hand-free service, I'd recommend definitely going on that, but you might have multiple in here, so you want to go ahead and start all of the Bluetooth services. It has Bluetooth in the name of it. You want to go ahead and enable it. And then once that's done, you should be able to hopefully just click on OK, and then attempt to launch it again when trying to connect your device, and your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.